Hey guys, Hashan from Exodius, and here we have this super sweet C8 Z06 Corvette. Super insane with this, super nice splitter. It has the canards on it, but the one thing that this car does not have is paint protection film on it. So the owner's had it for about the last 2,000 miles, and he has been terrified of rock chips ever since. So he finally found some time to get, the car in for some paint protection film. We're gonna be doing a Track PPF on this. So what that's gonna include is basically the full front end, bumper, headlights, hood, fenders, side mirrors, but that's also gonna add the rocker panels, the partial A-pillar, so this whole panel over here, the top of the roof line right over here, and a few pieces in the back of the vehicle as well. That's for, cars that are going on the track exactly like the Z06, or cars that are gonna get driven daily. It's a really good package because it's going to make sure that you have the protection, not only in the front where you need it, but on the lower sides of the car as well. You get a lot of rock chips, especially on your rocker panels and your lower doors, those get chipped up. So I always recommend, even if you're just doing a full front end, add your rocker panels, add your lower doors. You'll thank me later. But this is gonna be a super sweet project. We've just washed and prepped up the vehicle. We still have to take off that emblem. We still have to cut out the film for the vehicle. We're still gonna do a clay bar and paint correction on the vehicle as well, but it's gonna look really good. We're gonna try to wrap and tuck all of our edges, and I think it's gonna look sweet. It's gonna have that high gloss definition, so stay tuned. We should have this wrapped up mostly by Friday, possibly by Saturday. This is getting recorded on a Wednesday today, so it doesn't take us too long, but we're gonna knock it out of the park. We're gonna take our time with it. We're not gonna rush. Quality does not come cheap, and it does not come fast either. So stay tuned. You guys will see the finished product real soon. Thank you. Hey guys, so we're back with the Z06. It is all finished up and it looks insane. So we actually already had the owner come in yesterday. He took a look at the car. He unfortunately couldn't pick it up because he had his other car with him. So he was like, hey, I'm just gonna leave this here today. I'll come grab it tomorrow instead, when I don't have my car. But it's all finished up. He was super pumped when he saw it. It's all protected. We'll just do a short walkthrough. So if you remember, we did the track pack on it, which is basically full front end plus the rockers, plus a few other bits on the vehicle. But what I really wanna focus on is how the end product came out. You can really see with these Corvettes, it's very hard to tuck these edges, but everything is rolled and tucked over. We removed the badge and reapplied it on top of the PPF so there's no cutout around it. All this black fascia, the lip, the canards, everything is covered with the PPF. He also opted to do his rear wing in PPF and the full roof instead of the partial roof, which usually comes with the track pack. So now both of those places are also protected against a host of issues. It came out super nice. We're gonna do a photo shoot on this thing. You guys will be able to check that out on our Instagram. So yeah, stay tuned. We have many more exciting projects coming, but this one's knocked out for now. And if you're looking to get anything similar done to your Corvette, any vehicle, we definitely take care of that for you. Just give us a call or fill out the form online, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.